Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting room with you today. Something a little different today. I was at my local Trader Joe's the other day and I found this, the Beet strawberry juice. I had never seen a Beet strawberry juice before and it was in a funky bottle here, so I thought I would give it a try. Let's see what it says. It says 100% juice, Trader Joe's organic beet strawberry juice with a hint of lemon. Oh, I didn't see that. A hint of lemon. Not from concentrate. Interesting. Let's see. This is 1 quart, 1.8 fluid ounces, 1 liter. Okay, there we go. Just say 1 liter. It's fine. On the back, it tells me it has 100 calories per serving, 4 servings per container, and let's see, it has 24 grams of carbohydrate. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, let's skip to the ingredients because 100 calories for strawberry and beet juice, that sounds like a lot. Organic beet juice, organic strawberry puree, and organic lemon juice. Huh. Okay, so it's kind of natural. Product of Turkey. Turkey. I had no idea it was a product of Turkey. Shake well before using. Yeah, I did notice there was some sediment, and I did give it a shake earlier. And I'm kind of excited about this. It says, this deep red juice takes its color cues from You Got It, beets and strawberries. Organic beet juice, organic strawberry puree. Create an earthy yet sweet juice with delicious as it is red. Excellent source of vitamin C. So there you go, vitamin C. So, all right, let's crack it open. Maybe. Let's have oh, it has a plastic thing on it. There we go. Oh, well, there's half of it anyway. All right, give it a good shake. And I don't want to spill it. Hold on. Woo, that's a little rough. All right, let's give it a smell. It does. It smells strawberry and beet. Okay, I have a glass here, so I'll give it a little pour. I'm just gonna do a half a glass. All right, so if you guys can see that, can you see that? It's a little brownish. I don't know why. It probably has nothing to do with it, but it reminds me of prune juice. Just my thought. Smells nothing like prune juice. It's salty. I was not expecting salty. You guys see that? That's kind of funky. I was expecting more strawberry and less beet. It's good. I like it. I wouldn't say it's like award-winning flavor that I crave all the time, but it's okay. You guys familiar with V8? It's the vegetable juice cocktail, as I try not to get it in my mustache. It has that saltiness that V8 does, which is really strange. Does it tell me how much sodium is in here? Because, strangely, it feels very salty. Sodium, 95 milligrams. All right, I'm going to pour a little more because it's all right. But that's, I don't know, it's weird. I wasn't expecting salty. It's okay. I give it like a 6. I'd drink it if it was there, but I don't think I'd buy it again. It's interesting. So, there you go. The quick and dirty. There is the, getting off the front there, dripping, the strawberry beet juice from Trader Joe's. Have you guys tried this? What do you think? Love to know what you think. And if there's any Turkish people out there, do you guys drink this all the time? I've never seen it before, and now I'm going to have to look for it in the Turkish store, because I know where a Turkish store is. All right, you guys. I'm Robert Jones. This is EudaemoniusMarkII. Mark II. I'd love to have you guys subscribe and come back for more. We'll do more taste tests. I'll talk to you later. Bye.